Hello everyone, we are doing a VirtualBox recording. I haven't done one in a while since I've been doing those podcasts, and the reason why I have this paused is because, reasons. Let me just lower this second, okay. But yeah, I have this paused so I can show you the full boot up rather than having to have a late boot up. So, just unpause this. Crap, hold on. Let me just readjust the size real quick. Boot from hard disk. You know what, I'll give you the seek tests. Okay, it fits perfectly. Yeah, it's a little finicky when it comes to booting up. As you can see, it's accessing the hard drive a lot. I don't know if I have my cursor turned on, but you can look at the bottom where it looks like a little, rectangle. That, you know what I'm talking about. It looks like whoops, wrong. Did I put these close two together? I did. Sorry for the stretched out layout. It's Windows 98. What do you expect from a crappy old machine like this? And the reason why I said hard drive and CD, because I have an ISO loaded onto this. I do have a backup disk somewhere up here, if I can find the dang thing. Here, yeah. You can't see it, but I can. It's win98.iso. I need to extract it, so when I put it in the drive, it'll open up. See, I did it again. Whoops, let me just readjust the size. That way you can see how it's seeking the hard drive and all. You don't need to look at this. Hold on, I'm so sorry, I had to stop it. I have to readjust everything. I just put that name there for myself. Just click. No, stop it. The mouse is finicky today. If I could get the mouse to work. Right back. Okay, I'm so sorry that this thing is being finicky today. Should boot up. Yeah, I had to stop the video. I meant to pause, but, you know, I can put these two videos. Note that I'm only using 64, I think, kilobytes of RAM to run this thing. Yeah, it's an old, outdated OS. Where's my desktop? Sorry about the little, problem there. Stop being finicky. One moment. No, we're not gonna pause this machine anytime soon, or you just gotta look at the gross top part. Ugh. Stop being finicky. There, Jesus. Oh my God. Is Bandicam affecting this thing? It's like every time you go in, it fucking... The mouse detection on this thing is terrifying. Bandicam, stop, please. Do I have to increase the sensitivity on this thing? Was it no, I wanna... Alright, it was working last time. Every time I record, piece of fucking shit. Okay, I can't show you the bottom of the desktop because it's being a dickhead, as usual, with these Windows 98 programs. If all this fails, I'm just gonna use my fucking phone, so. Get on the thing. I can't. MS-DOS prompt. We'll look at this one. It's just the same as the one we did in our MS-DOS review, except, what? No, stop it. Go to MS-DOS. You know, it's the same way. You do clear screen, cd dot dot, just exit that certain current directory. Do cd colon backslash system. Now if we do the directory listing, all the files are here. I think it has kernel 32 here. Back in the 90s, I used to store just about every single critical file you could think of, obviously in the system directory. Now they changed it to system 32 because obviously new programming and the C scripting functions, of course. Let's just do exit. Alright. If this is still working out pretty well, I might really be able to resize the recording. Hold on. Just do that. Okay. Now you're working. Finicky piece of crap you are. Oh, now it's being finicky. Go right there. There you go. No, don't do that. You gotta give it a lot of love. This is the fucking thing. Like, there's 2 recording boxes. How do I record box? See, it does it again. Just click on it. Fucking piece of shit. Oh, no, don't move it. There. Fucking. You gotta line up the mouse with it. It's got a line up test. Just do the start button. Finicky piece of crap, so slow. Well, it's obviously the Windows Win98. Where's my documents? I saved a file here. I'm gonna realign the mouse again. One object plus one hidden. That might be just a C directory up to C colon backslash my documents. Formato to disco, it just formats the disk. There's no ramifications with this system. I try to do that, but sorry if the language is incorrect. See, if you do Y, it can't format it because, well, it's being in use. Before you say you try to format your physical hard drive, no, that's the you know, the virtual one, the VDI to be exact. Now I need to edit this because I think I can delete kernel32.dll, which is a critical system file. It just boots up the CD, or I could overwrite autoexecute.bat, which I might just do autoexecute. It's much easier since it's in the C directory. Don't be finicky right now with me. This thing is very special. Open up my computer. I think I just have to wait. Yeah, I have to wait until it realigns. Sorry. Hold on. Unless it's like I can't show my cursor. I'm very nervous. That's what it's doing. Okay, hide mouse cursor is going to be off. That way you could see everything. Okay, now it's not finicky. Yeah, Win98 SE is in the virtual disk drive. Don't ask how that works. I may or may not get Internet Explorer to work. It's because it thinks everything's dial-up. See, dial-up networking. Even though we have landlines, such as a LAN card. Not landline, but LAN. You know what I'm talking about. Approximately 2 gigs of hard drive space, which is normal for this kind of system. Now we could do command.com, which is the command interpreter. See, even if I turn on mouse cursor, it just still goes crazy. auto execute.bat. Let's see if we can edit it. Obviously, it's you can't edit it. It's like no, like, don't touch this. That's what it's basically saying. Freaking laggy PC. Now we could do command or command.com. Usually if you ran this on your oh Jesus Christ, every time with the mouse alignment. No, I wanna edit this. Open. Yeah, it's just you go into MS-DOS. Nothing too special about it. I'm gonna look for kernel32.dll unless it is it's called kernel. Is it like a popcorn kernel? No, it's the it's basically the brain of the computer. Unless you want the computer to never boot up again, you just delete boot.ini file. But why would you do that? Well, if you want to do that, make a virtual machine. Let's do system. Does it have the indexing keys that it usually does for any computer? System. Oh God, I'm sorry. Okay, system. Okay, it's like out of alignment. Sir, it appears that the Luna, the solar panels are out of alignment. System. I know these are meant to be hidden. But what's the point? You're outdated. You're like decades old. And I don't know why the mouse just jolts to my right hand corner. Yeah. Let's look for kernel. Am I on this? Oh, that's a KBD file. Kern. 380. I've never seen that in a while. 386 files. My God, you finicky mouse. Alright, sorry. Recording just shuts off. Stop it. Stop doing that. Jesus Christ. Slowly. I said slowly, not jolt to the corner like in a fraction of a second. My other cursor, if you can see it, show files. Now, is it in system 3? Let's do kern. Do we just have to click on an icon? Can't. Kern. Okay, there's Kodak image, but there's no kernel. What? Kern. That's not an answer to my formatting. Well, not formatting, but just fucking up. Let's see here. What are you doing? Just chug along to that file. Whoop. Oh, it's just drivers. Just stop fucking. Ugh. Hold down. Do I really? Okay, so then I have to do it JAWS style. Fucking. Ugh. No. Stop doing that. I cannot find kernel 32 or kernel 386 if it was a modern computer, if it was on this machine. Show files. We have command config Dr. Watson apparently. Yes. Fucking Sherlock is in your computer. Sorry if I'm cussing a lot. It's just this friggin' mouse is just going crazy. We could possibly like delete the system file since there was no such thing as file protection back then? Just freaking do it. Might look for boot.ini. What? File protection was the thing back then. No. Boot. Can you detect my scroll? Oh. Do I really have to drag this with my bare mouse click? There's the hardware win info. It just looks like a motherboard. Ratman. It's just stuff. Ooh, we could delete run DLL32, which just runs everything. There's a critical system file. Like, yeah, but you're outdated. System? Was it boot or system? Let me look at this. I need to infect this thing with viruses. Open. Just freaking. Oh, stop it. Oh. Ooh. This is the boot file. It's because it has boot in it. 386 grabber. VGA. Okay. We are on the road to, well, essentially fucking up this VM. I hit the right control button again. Oh, come on. Do. Okay. This is, no. Really? Or you're like, no, what are you doing? The computer knows what I have done to it. Is my mouse input reversed? I feel like it's reversed. I go that way, it just freaking goes crazy. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is such a good idea. Yes, delete system. Our boot.ini file, or what it was back then. Next will be auto execute to make sure it will not boot up. Oops, wrong folder. That was format the disk. See, every time I do this, it just jolts to the either top hand corner of the screen or see, mouse comes out of the corner. Let's keep it still. Okay, it should realign itself. Nope, didn't. It's just being a lazy prick. No, fucking mouse, stop. No, we do not have a floppy in unless it came with an A drive. I would assume not, because I don't have a virtual floppy on hand. And we delete auto execute that. And if you really want to mess up the computer, well, I don't want to do this right now, but I probably will in the next, once the recording just stops. Remove command.com, just the command interpreter, which in this time, it's just DOS. What is your major malfunction? Alright, no, stop doing that. The computer knows that I'm trying to kill it. No, don't set up internet access. You can't even get internet access because you don't know what a LAN card is. Shut down. I should have done a hard reset. or a force reset. Restart. Don't mind this, it'll resize itself. Unknown device, that's wonderful. Boot from a hard disk. I have a VDI, not VDI, ISO on. Now it should get an error because we removed, at least it should. Yep, cannot find system.ini. Need to run the WSC. Now, if you didn't have the disk, you'd be fucked. Like, what does it mean? Well, it means that one, something is wrong. So, there was backups. And the setup file is going to take a toll on my processor. Oh shit. What? I'm sorry? Okay, it just booted off. Yeah. Got these two on. So, auto execute can't find it. So we really did mess up this computer. So you won't wait, I'll just pause the video so you don't have to wait for this thing to boot up. Okay, we're back. Boot from the hard disk, and that should, well, obviously seek the virtual hard disk. It should have run the routine of having, yeah, it should have run the routine of, well, okay, there's a disk in here. You don't need to auto execute, just format the disk. Don't worry, I have a snapshot. It's just a recovery. Wow, we really messed up this computer. Well, that does it for the Windows 8, or not Windows 8, I wish I could format Windows 8, sucks. Windows 98 operating system overlook, or just looking at it. But yeah, so please like and subscribe, and yeah, that's about it. See you next time.